Hey, it's Jeff with Eternity Shore, and today we're gonna try to put the soundproofing on the engine. So Mary's gonna help me, the Admiral, and we're gonna have to remove these bolts right here because I think it'd be a lot easier to just take this hatch off, and we'll try to put the soundproofing on.
Oh yeah, baby. That was not easy.
No? All right. Right there.
No. We have separation.
All right. See if it lines up. No!
That is way wonky.
Wait, you're upside down. That's why. You're the wrong way.
That is perfect.
Exactly.
Like a glove.
What'd you say?
It fits like a glove.
Yes. I think it does.
A jaggedy metal glove.
That doesn't have to be pretty. No points. All right, now let's stick it on. All right, so it's on. Looks good. Just that one spot. I think I'll try to smooch.
Smooch.
Schmutz. So we finished soundproofing the engine room. Mary was a great help. She did stuff that would be difficult for me to do with my neck and arm issues. So that cutting was clutch. So that's something we can check the box and move on. And the other thing is that insulation takes up a lot of space on the boat. So now that it's actually doing what it should be doing, it allows us to enjoy the boat a little bit more. And Yeah, it's a better angle of the boat. It's a nice Saturday to be out on the water, but still waiting. First official snack on board with our cups that we got several times, because I had to buy, remember we bought cups and they didn't fit in any of the cup holders. So I think we did it twice, and then we had to settle on these big tall guys.
I'm pink.
I'm black.
I'm using the kitchen.
It's the galley.
The galley. Take two.
What are you doing, Mary?
I'm using the galley. So I'm going to make turkey and Swiss grilled
Okay.
to test this cooktop.
Mhm.
And then I'm also gonna test the microwave with some microwave popcorn.
Great, but not at the same time.
Not at the same time, because I don't think I have enough power for that.
Oh, maybe not, right? Okay.
All right. Gotta learn how to cook with electric again. Oh.
Knew it.
Stove, just that?
Mm-hmm.
Starting the burner, take two.
I don't know.
My indicator light is on.
Nice. That indicates something. Yes.
Working. Smells good. Oh, there we go. Now it's toasting. Oh, look at that. Mmm. The cheese is not melted, but at least the bread is toasty.
Okay, that was a pretty chill Saturday for Mary and me. Just came this afternoon and was able to get the soundproofing on the engine room, which is great, and tested out the stove. Mary used the stove for the first time, so that was great. Even used the microwave, and we got some popcorn out of it, so that was great too. We'll see you again real soon on the next one, Eternity Shore. Hopefully the mechanic shows up in a week or so. See ya. Ciao.